starting off April with the big bull rally in that big Apple trade. As we said, we had sold down last week from those highs, and they have come right back up to challenge them at 618.26, almost up 1.5 deltas. We had talked about the 1.5 delta earlier in the day because we did. And the thing about it is that it's broke higher all the way right up here, and I'll have to calculate the deltas in a minute. But here is that late day, and it's slowly grinded all day higher. And here we are right here. So it's just now firing it up because I had to reload it. And we will be watching how it closes. Whoops. So here's your diamonds are going to populate, but you're here right now. So right down in here is where that 9-minute hit the highs, okay? So this is that great Apple trade. Once again, last week it was a great short trade. Same mathematical distance on the way down, but you get it all the way on the way back up. And that's how bull trends work. So once again, it's a key 4 minutes to the closing bell with 999 highs intraday. And that has taken that reversal. When it was sold down on Friday, that's when we said to buy it because that's what it said in the system. And that was taking it back up. Now, like I said, you may not take out the high, but we would look for a gap in the morning to get back above that 52-week high to continue that move so that we could get higher. And that last week, we traded the same way on Monday and Tuesday, and we went long the calls and let them ride all the way up. And they got totally inflated on the call side of the market for the weekly expiration last Monday and Tuesday. They got way up there. These puts that we've been watching, we don't own them. We made a few dollars on them. We made money on these, but we get to be king wholesalers. So if they gap this up to a 52-week high tomorrow, and it's the same one that we traded last week that made a lot of money, and they're marking them down $15 of that wholesale bid. So once again, I'm going to conclude that we featured buying the call. That's the highlight of the day because that was that side of the trade that pays, and the SMF system verified that within the short term, based on balance volume, 2-day on balance volume, negative on balance volume, said that Apple would take a run much higher back up toward the highs, and people are barreling in it, and you got that bull moving off that sideline. 600 was a great deal since the people who got shook down from 621.45 to 597 and some change last week. This is the bull side now.